When I travel for work, I like to be additionally intentional about what I bring. Aside from the rolling suitcase that carries what I wear, I want to be very careful and intentional about what I carry and how I carry it. This is what I bring with me on a work trip. Some of the items that I'm sharing here you might be interested in picking up for yourself. I'll share links to these products in the description below. The main thing here is the bag itself. This is the Zeppo business bag by a company called Bleu de Chauffe. What I love about the aesthetic of this bag is the fact that it is so versatile. It's professional, fits in the workplace, and can act as a personal bag when I have some downtime. It carries my analog life on the go. These are the essential analog items I bring, in addition to the required digital items that are necessary for the work that I do.
I always carry too much on business trips, so I thought it was really important this time to try and simplify, to minimize, and just carry the essentials. Other than my suitcase, I had this guy, which acted as my main bag, obviously, for the business trip, and to carry almost all my essentials other than my dock kit, my clothes, and my gym stuff, which was all in my suitcase here. In terms of what I have in this bag, some essential pens and fountain pens. This is the Lochby Quattro pen pouch. I took a few fountain pens with respect to wanting to journal on the go, a pencil, a ballpoint, and a highlighter. Some of the things that I would just require as needed. Pack of chewing gum, because you're traveling, it's essential, you never know when you need it. Inside the compartments here, they were fully loaded. Starting with the back compartment. An essential travel t-shirt for after hours, just in case I was going from the office to another event. I was a bit more casual and dressed down, and I didn't necessarily have time to go back to the hotel. I'm proudly Canadian. This is a t-shirt by a company called Local Laundry, which is based out of my hometown here in Calgary. Fantastic quality, great t-shirt, soft, supple, gets the job done. The YETI Travel Mug with the leak-proof cap. Great tumbler for coffee and water. I use it primarily for water actually. And it's leak-proof, so I have no problem with it just staying inside the bag. The work laptop, standard work laptop. Pair of sunglasses. For on-the-go reading. I love to read multiple books at the same time. The Kindle gives me that flexibility while maintaining portability. And the Galen leather A5 portfolio. This is my main notebook with a Lamy 2000 pen, an extra charging cord, and an A5 dock grid. That's it for the main compartment other than the sunglasses here. In this pouch I have an extra pen just in case. Oh, I lied. There's also the extra travel mouse in here. In the main compartment, my trusted traveler's notebook, personal journaling, catch-all, on the go, absolutely required. This is the Lochby mini field journal. I keep this when I'm walking around during business hours and for when I'm in the hotel room when I'm traveling and I'm able to take advantage of a good amount of downtime. I bring the Lochby mini field journal. I love to sketch, I love to jot quick notes. The one thing I like about it is the small form factor, and it's easy to carry in the hand. A few essential pills. I've got to do a better job of getting something that's a bit more like a mini zip pouch or something like that for this bag. And then last but not least, a gaggle of charge cords. Laptop charger, a quick charge brick with a fast charging USB-C cable. Other essentials in here, the Jabra 8 Elite Active Gen 2 earbuds, essential for working out, listening to music, audiobooks. Not the greatest on the plane in terms of noise cancelling, but good enough, does the job. And when you're not on the plane, brilliant noise cancelling, does the job effectively. And I love the small form factor. Some cough drops. I tend to always get a sore throat whenever I'm traveling for whatever reason, and that's essentially it. And I found with this traveling setup here this time around, I was able to carry just the essentials. It was fantastic from the approach of using this as a carry-all bag, both during professional hours and in the off times, slimming it back down in the hotel room if I got the chance, and just carrying the essentials. Or if I wanted to travel really light, just having the Lochby mini field journal in my hand, or for shorter casual stints, just walking around with my traveler's notebook.
One of the great things about this bag is the fact that it has a luggage pass-through on the back. So it resides comfortably on the rolling suitcase that I have, and therefore makes it easier when I'm on the go and getting settled into the hotel or into a workplace or heading into a client's office, or vice versa. The other thing that's great about this bag is its stowability. Even though it's packed very full, it slips very comfortably underneath the front seat on the airplane, giving me enough legroom still. One of the things that I do whenever I'm on the plane, of course, is take any fountain pens and stand them upright in the pouch on the seat in front of me. This is how I travel, but I'm curious how you travel. What are some of the essentials that you bring with you in terms of your analog carry or digital carry as well? What are some of the bags that you gravitate towards in terms of traveling for work? And what are some of the items that feel essential to you and maybe not so essential? I'd love to hear about it. Let me know in the comments section below. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this content, please consider clicking on the like, subscribe buttons below. I hope you have a wonderful day and safe travels. Bye for now.